Hey everybody. Well, we now have the sides all the way off this hot tub, all the way around. I'll kind of show you what's going on with this hot tub. Right here, if you look down here, this board where the heating element is actually busted off. So it's going to need a new heater, as you can see right here. It's missing the contact, the connector that connects the heating element to the connector that connects it to the board, and then it's broke down here. So we're going to need a whole new board. The pumps, all three pumps on this hot tub, or four pumps. This one has three main motors, and then it has a recirculating pump, which is the one I have my hand on right now. They are brand new. This one, as well as this pump right here. And this hot tub appears to be in pretty good shape with the framework all the way around. But you can see where rodents have gotten into this hot tub and have dug holes all the way around it and stuff. So we kind of dug it around here. We dug in right here. Right here. And again, there's a brand new motor right here. So this hot tub is actually worth fixing up. We got another motor down here. So this hot tub really is worth fixing up, and we will do so. So anyways, right now we're going to put the wheels on our dolly, and we're going to tip it up on end, and we're going to bring it inside the shop. I'll kind of jump up on the trailer and show you. This is the inside of the tub. This is a nice large tub and stuff. This tub seats 6 people very, very comfortably. So definitely worth putting our time in to fix this one up. Welcome back everybody. As you can see, we now have this hot tub up on its side. And it didn't take long for Jacob and myself to figure out exactly where the leak was coming from. Grab the camera here. If you look right here, you can see where a rodent has gotten in and chewed from here down to here. So this is pretty much an easy fix. We'll cut it right here. We'll cut it here. We'll put a 3/8 barb in there, 3/8 barb there, and then we'll put a new piece of tubing in the center. So this wasn't bad at all. Got a couple other places we're going to fix. We're going to have to fix this right here where the wood just came loose. But you can see underneath where the rodents have been chewing and digging holes into it right here, down here. We checked these tubes right here. We didn't find anything down here. We found another nest right in here. We found another one right here. So we kind of checked all the different areas, but from what we understood from talking to the homeowner, that the problem had been isolated to the center of the tub where the water was coming from. And with the fact that that is like this, yeah, that's a pretty good size hose right there. So we're going to go ahead and cut that out and turn around and do a quick fix. Well, we're going to go ahead and show you how I do this. First things first, we got to cut out this old tube. Usually it's not too hard to get. Just using nothing more than Mama's kitchen scissors. And well, you can kind of see what we had here. See where the rodent had turned around and eaten down there? That's kind of what it looked like. I'll bet you a lot of water came out of this sucker. So anyways, what I do is I take 2 barbs. We're going to start out with 1 barb. And I'll turn around and I'll heat up the tube. By heating up the tube, it allows this barb to go in a whole lot easier. So I'll get it to where it's kind of, there, it kind of moves a little bit. This is nothing more than a heat gun. You can buy a heat gun similar to this. This is a Milwaukee heat gun. I think I bought it at Home Depot for under $100. And I know they make cheaper ones. That's just what I ended up buying. From there, you're going to put a little bit of a primer on there. And I just push the primer in the hole. Turn around and put primer on this piece right here.
Now what kind of primer do you use?
This is primer for PVC. This is similar to exactly what they use when they turn around and you do, what do you call it, sprinkler repair for like your sprinkler system on your house and stuff. Now you just put a little bit on one side of it. I put a piece of wood down there so that when it hits the ground, it's no big deal. Then just push it in there about halfway. You don't have to go crazy. And that sucker will glue really quick. Up here we'll do the same thing. Heat it up a little bit. This is not anything that takes forever. This is a very, very easy fix, and it'll be solid as heck. If you want to go the extra mile, you can go ahead and get a couple of hose clamps and put a couple hose clamps on it. I have never found that I needed to do that when I was doing it this way. Come on. Just got to get it just so it's up there just a little bit. That's all there is to that. Now you take our hose and grab our scissors. We're just going to kind of measure it, get it close. If it's a little bit long, we can cut it off. Here again, put a little bit of primer on it. That's all I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it inside the hole. See how you can tell it's got purple crap on it. It's pretty much all I got to do. Take this, we're going to come up on top, we're going to put some glue on there, probably slide that in the hole a little bit, throw that down there, and then that, just going to push it in there like that. Now I very rarely need to heat up this particular tube. This tube, since it's brand new, will work fine. Get that in there like that, put a little bit around the barb. Yep, don't want to spill my glue. Grab onto that, just push it on there, just like so. And that's really all there is to fixing a leak like this. It's nothing more than 2 barbs, and it's a 3/8 barb and a 3/8 piece of 3/8 ID, which is inside diameter poly tubing. This seems to work the best. This fix will probably be better than what it was when it was brand new from the factory. So we're going to go ahead and let this dry, and next segment we'll have this laying flat on our trailer or flat on the ground. We'll fill it with water and see if it leaks. Well, we have the hot tub completely done on the underside, so now we're going to put it up on the trailer so that we can kind of see what's going on. So we'll do that next and post what's happening. Well, we now have this Coleman on the ground. We're going to fill it with water and see if it leaks. It shouldn't leak. We couldn't find any other problems with it, but we figured we'd put it on the ground, fill it with water. We've already ordered the board for it, and as soon as that comes in, we'll install that and see if the pumps and motors work. But at least we can fill it with water and see if it leaks. The way it was set up before, the minute you fill it with water, that water was coming out. So, and I do have a way to fire each one of these pumps and motors with a separate pack that I have that's mobile that I can test things with. So anyways, this is kind of what it looks like on the ground. This is a nice big large hot tub. So this is about a 7.5 by 7.5. It has approximately a little bit over 50 jets, probably close to 60 jets. So that'd be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 41, 42, 45. Yeah, I bet you this thing has close to 65, 70 jets. So this is definitely quite the hot tub. So we're going to fill it up and see how it works. Okay, well, Jacob went ahead and filled the tub up after we fixed the leak. It's been filled up now for quite a while. It doesn't appear to have any leaks from this particular leak that we fixed. The water's pretty much held in the center. We only put maybe, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 inches of water, but the leak was coming from one of these. So that's all we had to do is get it up high enough to where we could check it out. So now we'll go ahead and start working on the rest of this hot tub, get it all wired up, and we'll see how it works. The pumps are all brand new. The recirculating pump's brand new. I got to fix this right here, which is a diverter valve. We'll fix that. No big deal. Won't take that long. So anyways, until next time, my name is Scott. I'm with the Arizona Hot Tub Factory, and they call me the Spa Man. And just remember, it's a tub in your backyard full of water, blows bubbles, and heats up. Don't go crazy. Until the next hot tub, I'll see you then. Have a good day, everybody.